Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Reja Wahyopita. I'm from Management Class 24C, NVM 244110085. Here I will present about corporate environment and culture. Corporate environment. Understanding of corporate environment. The work environment is an important thing in an organization. A good work environment is the hope of every employee because with a good work environment, of course, employees will be able to carry about their duties well. With a good work environment, it can automatically provide satisfaction for employees. External environment. The external environment of a company can be considered to have two layers, namely the general environment and the company environment. The general environment is the outer layer that is widespread and affects the company indirectly. The general environment includes social, economic, political, legal, international, natural, and technological factors that equally affect all companies. The text environment is closer to the company and includes sectors that conduct day-to-day transactions with the company and directly affect basic operation and performance. General environment. The general environment is the outermost layer of the environment. The dimensions of the environment include 1. International dimension. External environment is events that occur abroad as well as opportunity for US companies in other countries. 2. Technology dimension include development in science and technology in certain industrial fields as well as in society as a whole. Socio-cultural. The general socio-cultural dimension of the environment is a demographic characteristic of norm, custom, and value adopted by the general population. Some important socio-cultural characteristics are population distribution and density, age, and education level. For economy, the economy dimension shows the general economic health of the country or region where an organization operates. 5. Legal politics. The political legal dimension consisting of government law or local, state, and federal orders. So are political activities designed to influence corporate behavior. 6. Nature. The natural dimension consists of all elements that naturally appear on Earth. For example, plants, rocks, and natural resources such as air, water, and climate. B. Task environment. The task environment consists of sectors that have a direct working relationship with the organization, namely 1. Customer, namely people in the business environment who obtain goods and services from the organization. 2. Competitor, other organizations in the same industry and type of business that provide goods and services to the same customer. 3. Supplier, provide the raw material an organization used to produce its goods. 4. Labor market, people in the business environment who can be hired by the company. Organization and company relationship. A. Environmental uncertainty. B. Adapting to the environment. Strategies to cope with change. 1. Boundary expansion. 2. Inter-organizational partnership. 3. Measure of joint ventures. Company culture. Understanding corporate culture. Culture is a system of shared meaning and belief held by members of an organization that determine to a large extent how they act toward one another and some outsiders. Corporate culture is a pattern of basic assumptions held by company members. Important behavior influenced by culture include 1. Sense of self and space. 2. Communication and language. 3. Clothing and appearance. 4. Food and eating habit. 5. Time and awareness of time. 6. Relationship, family, organization, government, etc. 7. Value and norms. 8. Belief and attitude. 9. Mental process and learning. 10. Work habit and practice. Implementation of corporate culture. A. Corporate culture and leader or manager. B. Instilling corporate culture in leader and manager. Internal environment. Introduction. Where manager work with include company culture. The internal environment include 1. Worker or employer. B. 2. Board of Commissioner. 3. Shareholder. Dimension of organizational culture. 1. Innovation and risk-taking. 2. Attention to detail. 3. Result orientation. 4. People orientation. 5. Team orientation. 6. Aggressiveness. 7. Stability. Influence of environment and corporate culture. A major influence on internal corporate culture is the external environment. Internal culture must embody everything necessary to achieve success in the business environment. Adaptive culture. 1. Culture is categorized into four and is based on two dimensions. 1. The extent to which the external environment requires flexibility and stability. 2. The extent to which a company's strategic focus is internal or external. A. Adaptation culture. B. Achievement culture. 3. Engagement culture. 4. Consistency culture. Each culture brings its own success to the company. In addition, each company has values that adhere to more than one category of culture. The relative emphasis on cultural values varies depending on the need of the environment and the focus of the organization concerned. Okay, thank you.